Let's focus on the sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in rat, in the middle of words like in sprint, and in the end of words like in hair. To make the sound, pull the tip of your tongue back and curve the middle part of your tongue up towards the roof of your mouth. Keep your lips a bit rounded while your teeth are apart. Let the air flow out continuously through the middle of your mouth. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. It's now your turn to say the sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds, and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter R is a consonant that makes the voiced sound, like at the beginning of the word rat. We'll use the sound when decoding a word with the letter R. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right. Remember that the letter R represents the sound. Rat. It's now your turn to decode the word. Great job! You just decoded and read the word rat. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant R, which makes the sound.